everyone. Okay, this is my Jill journal. I'll show you the front and back covers. This is the square format Dylusions journal, and I've been keeping paper protective covers over this to try to keep it as neat as possible. But I might do a little more with the cover when it's finally when the journal is finally done. This journal is getting really close to being complete though, and I'm super excited to finish it and get it sent out. There we go. Okay, so you can see that I've been adding little things as I go. Currently, I'm on a transparent glasses kick. If anyone is interested, I actually made a set of stencils that there's two different sizes for these, like a mask and a stencil. In case anyone wants them, let me know. I'll put some in my Etsy shop for you. And yeah, I'm not, if I don't have anything specific to say, I'll probably just, you know, move on to flip each page. This was the cutout that I used for the time collage page, which is in here, and I just ended up cutting it out and gluing it in. I did a little journaling on the back of it, and these are some new stencil ideas I'm working through right now. Often when I design stencils, you know, I design it, I cut it out, and then, you know, use the machine to cut it out and then go, oh, that was wrong, or, you know, I need to, you know, attach something here. And there's just a lot of adjustment that ends up happening. And frankly, sometimes they just get entirely scrapped because I'm just not feeling it when I try it out the first time. So here is one blank page. At this point, I'm going through, and anywhere that I have more than one double page spread that's blank, that's where I'm working. So like I just did this one a couple of days ago because I had two facing, or actually I had three facing blank pages. So that's kind of, I'm just sort of working in. This is another stencil that's in progress. We'll see what happens with it. And some of these have been around. This is Halloween. I think this was even alive. So some of these have been around for a while. Another set of blank pages. Just was working on this one today. It is still a work in progress. I want to do some journaling on it. This one has gone through quite a bit of change over time. Here's another double page, so I'll probably work on this next. This one I did partially on camera. These are the glasses that started everything. I cut these out from a magazine page and fell in love with it, and so now I've been adding them to everything. This is the collage page that cutout girl was from. This was just a page. I don't think this was a class or anything. I think I just did it just for my own purposes. Just because I actually art journal when I'm not on camera. This is my little deer stencil that I made a long time ago. I really love him. Yep, and I've got another double set here, so I'll be adding a page there. This is the one where I love the background so much I didn't do anything else on it. I didn't even finish the girl because I was just like, I just love this background. I just want to leave it like that. Here's another one. There's not that many, I promise. This was, I think, a lesson for YouTube members. I liked this lesson a lot. I think probably I want to do a couple more of these, even if it's not a lesson, just doing them for myself, because I just like the look of this page, and it feels a little, it still feels like it's my work, but it feels a little different because it does have a little bit of different types of collage than maybe I would normally do. This was a Patreon lesson, and then this was the little, if any of you have Photoshop, you know the photo of the flamingos that are the clouds make up their bodies. My Photoshop kept crashing when I was doing the videos for this, and I was so frustrated with it that I got stuck looking at that loading screen for Photoshop so many times that I just started painting one of the flamingos. Here's another one I've got to fill in, and I have don't remember if this was I think this was just a YouTube video. I think this one might have been a lesson. I can't remember. This is all about taking collage and then drawing, trying to turn it into a scene or something like that. I really like this because this definitely could be like something that you might see in like an alien sort of world where you had all these random things. Very abstract, surrealist almost, especially with this like weird eyeball that kind of looks like a boob. Shh, don't tell anyone. I noticed that the other day. This was a New Year's Eve live painting, so a live show that we did. This was just a drawing, and it was kind of like my take on the whole people who won't wear masks, like they're you know, blindfolded, and then at the same time I felt like it was blindfolding justice in this country, you know, as far as like Black Lives Matter. So this was just a quick little sketch I did. I don't do a lot, too much of sketching and then just leaving it unpainted, but every once in a while I do enjoy doing that. So here I've got another one where I need to get a page in. I don't remember if these were lessons or if I was just playing around. I really love this page so much. It was a lot of fun. I still think I should have done something different right down here because it looks kind of weird the way I stopped, but I haven't wanted to go back and do anything with it because I just really like it. So it's just staying the way it is. Another double page that I've got to work on. Another Halloween page. This is the one that's waxed because I went over it with this white wax, which I really love the look of it because you can polish it and make it super shiny. And I think this was some type of, I think it might have been just a YouTube video about layering maybe. I'm not really sure. But I really love this page. It makes me super happy every time I see it. And oh, another double page here. This was just sketching, and then I decided to just go ahead and paint it. And then my little deer again, and this was kind of my, you know, sadness about 350,000 people are just gone, and that I feel like our government is just villainous at this point. Almost at the last page. And then this was like the first thing I did in this journal because I dedicated this journal to Jill. And amazingly enough, a different student, Linda, actually sent me this journal as sort of appreciation because one of my journals was stolen. So I think it's really interesting, or, you know, like fun that this was sent to me by a student and I'm passing it on to another student. So I kind of think that's interesting. I like the thought of it, I guess you would say. And then, yeah, that's the back. So that's it. Like I said, I will put a little Post-it note or something down for each of the pages that I do from here to the end so that you can see that, you know, the ones that are done and know that you didn't see them before. But I will still probably do a full, complete flip of it at the very end. Especially after I have worked a bit on the cover. Maybe I'll even try to record the additional stuff I do to the cover. All right, thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a great week, and I'll see you around the internets.